Dia Robotics unique wedding. It's our founder's wedding, Uday Shankar. We are into coding and robotic courses for children in schools and colleges. So we thought, why not have a unique wedding as we are into this line? And that is how the robot is part of our family. So we thought the robot should be part of the event also. We welcome you all to this event and enjoy and make it a grand success along with the Dia family. We look forward to join with all of you all and share our technology knowledge to more children and more budding youngsters. Our goal by 2030 to reach maximum children and make them job ready in the line of robotic and IoT. The proceeds of this event will be given to the children who would be learning courses from us, the needy and the children who would like to become more equipped in tech skills. Thank you. Thank you so much.
So actually the motivation behind this expo was we got it from our founder Mr. Uday Shankar, and he had a thought that why not show what is the industrial technology during his wedding, which has been happening today. So we thought we'll have a fusion of how students can learn what is happening in industry and how they can apply in their regular studies. So now you can see everything is they are studying from home. Now schools have started back. Everything is going normal. So students will get more exposure when they when they are exposed to hardware and software. So basically they will start playing with boards which will help them understand. So by the time they are in their 10th or 12th standard, they will get an idea about okay, which is the field which they like. Do they want to go in a technology domain, or what is that next? So this is a expo which we have fused industrial and the normal day-to-day lifestyle. So we can see here we have manipulators basically, which are the same manipulators in a larger scale used in industries like Honda and others for painting, welding and all. Then we have robotic heads which will do motions. So whatever you, just like you talk, express your emotions, they also will express just like you, depending and seeing upon you. Then we have the 3D printers. So here we have 3D printers which will print different objects depending upon the customization of it. So yeah, and a lot more technology is also added like IoT and AI here. So yeah, thank you.